In this video, we bring to you an off-grid modular container home with a color-coded design. Stay tuned to find out more about this modern container home. Welcome back. This little container studio designed by Studio Plano Architecture is made from two 20-foot shipping containers placed side by side and stitched together to accommodate an open-plan living space. Despite being tiny inside, the studio has access to a large open deck, and this helps a lot to make it feel more open and spacious overall. Propped up on a wooden patio, this tiny container house finds height and rises alongside the trees and the tall grasses nearby. To minimize the claustrophobic feel of the narrow space, the container's entire lateral steel walls on one side were cut out and fitted with sliding glass doors. In this way, it created a seamless indoor-outdoor connection with the terrace, making the space appear larger. The inner container walls are cut out to create an expansive open-plan living. The color-coded design is both practical and quirky looking. The living area features a comfortable sofa, custom coffee table, a flat-screen TV mounted on the wall, and a floor rug to define the lounge area. Behind the living area is the home's bed space, fitted with a cozy double bed with enough pillows for a peaceful night's rest. The sofa's back doubles as the bed's headboard to provide a subtle and functional partition. A set of glass doors allows the bedroom to easily connect to the outdoor deck. The lounge area and the bedroom have wooden flooring, which closely matches the aesthetic of the exterior deck. The kitchen and the area bordering the bathroom are colored in a beautiful earthy orange shade. The well-lit kitchen space features essential kitchen appliances, a steel countertop, and enough overhead storage cabinets. The bathroom is part of the orange module, but it has its own light blue palette. Partition walls separate the sink from the shower and the toilet tub, optimizing the use of the bathroom. In addition to the expansive floor-to-ceiling French doors, part of the home's ceiling is painted the same green as its exterior to bring the home much closer to the outdoors. The tiny home's exterior has been painted and muted lime green to complement the lush greenery that surrounds and completely immerses the container studio. The exterior is complemented with glass windows to let the natural light shine through. Which part of this amazing container arrangement appeals to you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. You are encouraged to subscribe to our YouTube channel for these and more amazing weekly videos on shipping container living. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.